everyone, this is once again a template video in SmowCode, and this time we're going to see the HTTP template. So I have opened it right in front of me, and you can see that this template sends a GET request to a URL using the HTTP GET node. So once again, you can find it right here in projects, open ESP32 templates and HTTP. So you can see that we have two templates and we are using the first one in this video, and let's go through the flow. So we have the onStart node, and then we have we display Wi-Fi auto initialized in background and starting Wi-Fi. Then we connect to the Wi-Fi which is connected to your PC or laptop. Just put in the SSID ID and password as we have done in programs before, in the flows before as well. So then we check if the Wi-Fi is connected successfully. If the code is equal to 0, which means that it is not connected successfully, the pin 2 on our ESP32, which is internal LED, turns on. And if the Wi-Fi gets connected successfully, then we go through the rest of our flow. So we display Wi-Fi connected successfully, and we send a HTTP GET request. Before that, we display sending HTTP GET request to client. And then we have the main HTTP GET node. So if we go to the properties, we can see that we need to input the URL, and we need to choose the method as well. So this is both the HTTP GET and POST node. In this video, we are gonna get something from the HTTP. As you can see, its name is the HTTP request. So you can both post or get. You can both get requests or post requests to your URL, and you have two outputs. First one is the response from the URL from the client, and the status code as well. So as we know, there are different status codes. 200 is for successful, there's error 404, etc. So that's going to be received, and the response as well if it's successful. And after that, we are going to display the status code received to confirm that it should be 200 if it works perfectly, or something different if the connection is unauthorized or something invalid has gone through. And then we display the response that we receive, and then we display the HTTP library ran successfully. So let's upload the code to our ESP32. No circuit is needed for this, so it's just connecting your ESP32 and just sending a HTTP GET request to the client to your URL. So let's see after flashing what our serial monitor shows us. So the flashing is successful. So let's open our serial monitor now. So as you can see, it's starting to connect to the Wi-Fi. And we can see that the Wi-Fi is connected right here, and the status code which gets received, it sends the HTTP GET request right here. Then we get the status code 200, which means it was successful. We receive the response. Stay tuned to our SmowCode social channels on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and others. For queries, email us at hello@smowcode.com. So we get the request response successfully from our URL, and after that we just display HTTP library ran successfully. So as you can see, you can get and post requests using SmowCode using the HTTP request node as shown in this template. So yeah, this is how it can be used.